You might want to sit down for this one, because AC cars just went nuclear. Introducing the AC GT SuperSport, a venom-spitting monster born from the soul of the legendary Cobra, but raised in a high-tech lab on pure horsepower and adrenaline. This isn't just a car. This is a 1,025 horsepower ballistic missile with wheels. Yeah, you heard that right. Over 1,000 horsepower in something that still looks like it crawled out of 1960 with a grudge. Built to celebrate the launch of AC Cars America, their new division in the land of bald eagles and burnout marks. This beast is limited to just 25 units, each one costing a jaw-dropping $550,000. And honestly, that might just be a bargain for what you're getting. The shape? Instantly recognizable. It's the ACA silhouette we know and worship. But now it's beefed up, widened out, and sharpened with a barrage of aerodynamic upgrades. That gaping grille? It's not for show. That rear spoiler? It's begging you to test the laws of physics. Let's talk numbers. 0 to 62 in 3.4 seconds, and a top speed of 172 miles per hour. In a car that looks like it should be parked outside a retro diner, not blasting down a runway. But AC didn't stop there. While other companies slap an old badge on a new shell and call it heritage, AC is writing a whole new chapter. From turbocharged four-bangers to full electric Ace variants, they're keeping the Cobra spirit alive and evolving it into something that can terrify Teslas and leave Ferraris wondering what just happened. And now, with AC Cars America setting up shop in West Palm Beach, Florida, the madness is officially stateside. If you thought the Cobra was done, oh buddy, it's just getting started.